episode, you are going to get to know a little bit about us. Let's start with my name. So everyone knows me as Froggy, but my real name is Latoya. I don't go by that ever, ever. If you're going to call me by my regular name, I go by Toya or Toy. But if you call me Latoya, that just reminds me of my teachers in school or my mom when I used to get in trouble. So yeah, Toya, Toy, or Froggy.
My name is Bella. My full name is Isabella, but it's really weird people call me that.
Horses are my absolute favorite animal.
I like a lot of different animals. I would say horses are definitely my favorite, but I do like a lot of animals. I don't like bugs. I really don't like bugs though.
At the barn, taking care of our very dirty horse. 20 minutes later, and he's all clean. Well, cleaner. Hello, Johnny. What is your favorite thing to do with your horse? I like grazing a lot. That's a lot of fun. I don't know what it is about watching a horse eat grass. And I like walking. If I'm riding the horse, I want to walk. I don't want to go fast at all.
I like to go fast when I ride. I think it's the best part, honestly. My favorite thing to do with Johnny is to ride him, and I like to jump him too.
See, isn't he adorable? It's Thursday and time for another lesson at the Saddle Seat Barn. It is early, and we had to wake up at 7 to drive here. I'm so tired. But we can always wake up for horses.
Today I get to ride this really beautiful Morgan. He's black and he's really pretty.
This horse is all black and absolutely gorgeous. No offense, Johnny. We still love you, but wow. When little Froggy first started riding horses, she was at an all Morgan barn. And just to be riding a Morgan again in saddle seat is really cool. So we've had a couple of questions on how saddle seat differs from dressage. And they're pretty much opposites on a lot of things. In saddle seat, you hold your hands up like you're reading a book. In dressage, you keep your hands lower. In saddle seat, the horse keeps its head really high. In dressage, you want the horse to look more relaxed and have its head lower. In dressage, we keep our legs closer to the body of the horse, and in saddle seat, we want past the knee to pretty much be off the horse. So there's a lot of differences. At a horse show, you're pretty much in the arena by yourself in dressage, and in saddle seat, you will be in an arena with a lot of people. So yeah, a lot of differences. It looks like it's all coming back to her pretty fast. Her posting is nice and tall. She's sitting up straight. Those legs look a lot better, even though we've been practicing on Johnny and he's not a saddle seat horse. Even though it's been a couple of years since she's rode in saddle seat, it's coming back pretty quickly. We get to go outside today. She looks like she's really enjoying herself today. One of the things I love most about this barn is just that she gets to ride so many different horses.
I really like this barn because, like Mom said, I can ride different horses. I really think that riding different horses makes you overall a better rider. And if you understand one horse, that's great. But I personally like riding different horses and getting to know how to ride different types of horses and things like that.
I'm at the airport, traveling to New York for Sweet, and didn't do my hair this morning. It's still in twist. Yeah, I do that sometimes. Sometimes I don't do my hair because it's a lot of work and I don't feel like it. We travel a lot. But the question is, do you like traveling?
I love to travel. I love to see new places and meet new people, and I actually really like flying.
I love traveling. because I get a chance to take photos of new things, and I love photography, so shopping with my family is the best. I would do it all the time if I could. Right now we're getting to walk around New York, so you know I'm having a blast. If it wasn't for all the rain. Cities are a lot of fun for shopping.
I like shopping for like clothes and shoes and things like that.
For me, I am all about toy stores. I don't know if you know this, but I love shopping for toys. About to check out the Line store. I've always wanted to see Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, the play, and I went by to try to buy tickets, but unfortunately I will be leaving by the time there's another show. Yo, this is never gonna happen! But good thing there's a gift shop. This is my first time in Central Park and I'm super excited. You know what, you're not gonna take away my excitement because I love this. First of all, I love taking hikes. I absolutely love hikes. And I love being outside in nature. So this is a lot of fun for me. Okay, so I'm like walking through Central Park and this giant rat just ran across the path. Okay, I'm totally tripping right now. Oh, but this is really pretty. Ooh, there's like a lake. That's a much better view. Oh, down there. Can you see all that? I don't want to drop my phone in the water. That would be bad. Well, you know, it's a lake in the middle of a city. So the question is, are our personalities alike? I'm gonna say no, not really. I'm probably a little bit more hyper than she is. I get very excited, especially at toy stores. And yeah, we're very different, but I think that's what makes it awesome because we hope to balance each other out a little bit. You know, I try to make her laugh a lot more and be super silly, and she makes me be a little bit calmer sometimes, if that is even possible.
I'm definitely a lot more calmer than she is. She is really hyper, but they're looking at turtles right now. But yeah, I'm a lot calmer than she is, and we do balance each other out. I think if I was super hyper, it would be like really just crazy whenever we're together. We probably clash a little bit, so I'm glad that I'm a little bit calmer.
I knew you were mine. Honest when we were
Real fast, favorite food?
Bread.
Rice with avocado and mango. Favorite movie?
Black Panther.
The Labyrinth. Favorite color?
Salmon.
Salmon?
Right now.
Okay, I like green. I like to look at green, I like to wear black, and I like blue in my house. Favorite horse breed?
Morgan.
Morgan Saddlebred. I've always said Morgan because of Johnny, but I just love these saddlebreds. Thank you for joining us for another Fabsome Horses, and we hope you got to know a little bit more about us.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram.
Thank you for joining us for another Fabsome Horses, and we hope you got to know a little bit more about us.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog.
And we will see you next time. Bye!